her channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications bell, hit the like button, and follow us. Today we're going to eat some mangosteen. It's very delicious.
Yeah.
Why are you copying me?
Delicious.
Yeah, so let's show you. Garcinia mangostana, or you can call it mangosteen, is a tropical, slow-growing fruit native to Southern Asia. Refers as the queen of fruits. It features a thick purple rind that conceals segments of sweet, juicy, white flesh with a flavor often described as a mix of peach, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream. Now, let's try it.
Yes.
It's very good. Yeah, I know. I'll teach you how to open one. To me, it tastes like lychee or mango. What do you think it tastes like?
Mango.
Yeah, it's very good. Try some.
Stinky. Oh, can I please open this?
Yeah. Wait, proceed. It's very good.
Mine is rotten.
No, it's not rotten. It's just black because. No, wait! Don't eat it. Don't eat it. I think this one is bad. Wait. No, this one's good. This one's bad.
Oh.
Pick it up. Oh, it's fine. Just put it in. See, these ones, the black ones, they're not good to eat. So don't eat those ones. All right. So now I'll teach you how to open it. We have to squeeze it hard, and then until you see like a crack somewhere. I don't have a crack on mine yet, so I have to keep squishing. And then, oh yeah, I have a crack. Let's pull it out open. Then you'll have your fruit. Then you just have to peel all the rest. And there you have it. Some yummy mangosteen. They're very good. Nom 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 nom. They're very good.
If you find a little one, there's no seed inside, so you can just eat it and don't like spit it out.
Yeah, and also yeah. So I told you the ones with the black back, don't eat those. They're very bad.
Yeah, they're rotten, and if you eat them, you'll be sick.
Yeah, you will be sick. Okay, that's it for our video. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time.
Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe, please. We're watching you, so.
We're watching you.
Yeah, we are, guys. We're watching you, girls and boys. We're watching you. Okay, thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye.